Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my beautiful sister Sanat with me and we filmed a chit chat get ready with us. We asked you guys to send us some questions on Instagram and we answered some of them while we were doing our makeup. So if you guys want to see how we got this look and what we talk about, because there are some juicy topics in there, keep on watching. We both have different makeup styles, but that's what's kind of cool.
I like a little bit more smoked out. My looks are typically smoked out.
I'm the opposite. I will rarely ever add a liner. I just like it to be blown out. Oh, I love this look and I want to put it like or recreate it on myself. And then I'm like, yeah, no, it's not cute on older eyes.
You're not even...
I'm older.
You don't have older eyes by any means.
You say that, but I've had so many life experiences that I have so many more wrinkles than a normal 30-year-old.
Did we answer some questions?
Yeah, I sent them to you on your phone.
So we did get a couple questions via Instagram. First one was who killed Jeffrey Epstein? What is the smartest decision your sibling has ever made?
Smartest decision your sibling has ever made.
Wow, that can go in so many different directions. Oh my God.
I think for you, probably going back, getting your college degree.
Yeah.
Going back to school for sure.
Yeah. And then for you, moving back to the United States and being with your sister. Who is most likely to knock up a girl or get knocked up?
Oh, 100% me.
I think I'm a little, you know, I'm funny, but like I'm very conservative at the same time. I think people are always surprised at how conservative I really, not to say you're not conservative.
No, I think the thing is that's funny is I think we're both conservative, but I think it's just our sense of humor. It's weird because on social media, it's like so different. Like everybody that sees my stories or whatever, and like I like really like, I like dirty humor and I like Cardi B and whatever. But if you see me in person, I literally look like a mom.
You are very conservative. I can honestly say you're shy.
Yeah, super shy.
Like I'm so proud of you, by the way, for doing all this. Like, so proud of you. I know it takes a lot of courage and
thanks, sister.
It's not easy. It's definitely not easy.
It's so cool because me and you literally share the same passion. Like
it's fun.
It's so fun because we both love makeup. So we have like, and there's a big age difference between us. So it's like so cool that like we have something that we can bond over.
They're gonna ask our age difference. I'm 42. It's okay. I don't mind saying it. I'm 42.
I'm about to be 31.
Yeah. So there's 11 years between us. And I always felt like a mom to her. But now I'm glad like that phase is gone and I can like actually enjoy having a sister because she's an adult and all that good stuff. I don't have to. Okay. So I'm going in with the
blue.
The blue.
We need to all put our palettes down and just focus on this because this is like such a life-changing experience. I love the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Look at that, you guys.
It really is so pretty.
I'm just gonna look at that.
Okay, let's get another question. Let's see what we got. Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? Definitely me.
Why? How long does it take you?
If I'm really like into like the makeup look, like if I really like want to vibe with it, probably like 45 minutes for makeup. Usually it'll take me about 20-25 minutes if I'm just doing a basic look. So
I definitely win this one. I literally take 45 minutes just to put on my base.
No way. Seriously?
Swear to God, it takes me forever to do my makeup. If I'm like in a rush, like I can get it done in like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
But most of the time, I'm not in a rush. I give myself plenty of time to get ready.
For me, getting dressed is more of a pain than the actual makeup is so enjoyable. When it's time to go get dressed, I like, if I don't have my outfit planned out.
Yeah.
It's such a miserable morning.
Yeah, you're definitely like more stylish. Like you literally do the makeup look and like the outfit, like everything is always on point. I'm the type of person that will put on like a full beat and just wear like a Nike hoodie.
Who is more likely to date someone based on their appearance?
I mean, I feel like everybody dates people based on their appearance
you
in the
have to have
beginning.
that.
If you're not attracted to the person physically, then
Wait, I take that back.
why?
Because I think sometimes like the personality will make
Them more attractive.
they'll make them more attractive, and you can be like sometimes not physically overly attracted to somebody, but then like you can fall in love with them just because of their personality. You know, it's nice when you have the whole package.
It's very hard to find the whole package.
Well,
But, you know, over time, life experience will teach you what's more important.
I know that the whole package is out there, so.
Aw, some tea right there.
Which one got in trouble the most as kids?
Which one got in trouble the most as kids?
I think you're definitely the more rebellious one.
Yeah, I guess.
What do you mean you guess?
I was more rebellious, but I feel like
You got away with a lot more.
I did. So that's why I want to say, like, I feel like they were a lot more strict on you just because, like,
Girl, it was such a night and day experience
yeah,
for me and her.
I was like, by the time I was like in my teenage years, my parents were kind of over it and they didn't really want to deal with it. And so I got away with a lot more. I was able to go out more, but honestly, I was a good kid. I was just a little bit boy crazy, but I was a good kid.
I wasn't allowed to be boy crazy.
This is true.
I got in trouble for things like you didn't dust properly, or we all had a friend that we always threw under the bus, right?
Always. Always. And then like we would not be allowed to talk to those friends.
Mm-hmm.
So annoying.
Yeah, it was really hard to like get my mother's approval on friends.
Yeah.
Because I went to Dearborn High, which was, you know, high school, and then we moved, and so I had to go to a different high school.
Yeah.
Your dad went to the school to register me or something, and the door he walked into was the wood shop room. And so we walked into a room full of guys, and I was just like, it was so awkward. And right away my head dropped. Like, I was just like so embarrassed. Next question. What's your funniest memory together?
Funniest memory?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. They're all very sad.
Yeah, we have a lot of sad memories. Jeez, why do they overtake like the good ones?
I don't know. I think it's just all about perception. We just remember the sad ones.
Just recently, we went up north.
Oh, yeah.
So we went up north, and it was up north Michigan, absolutely stunning. You know, the lakes it was just perfect. The weather was perfect. The water was actually warm, because usually the water is so cold.
Yeah.
And there were these biting flies. I think they're horse flies, but I'm not sure.
I don't know exactly what they're called, but I'm just going to call them flies from hell.
They were
Satan's flies. Now I understand why whenever you watch like an exorcism movie or something, there's always flies. I get it. It's those Yeah. So basically, we had booked for a whole week. Okay, we literally stayed there 2 nights. The next morning we left. And the whole second day we were there, we were inside the cabin. We didn't even go out on the beach. We cut our vacation short. We were like,
yeah, I was supposed to stay an extra day too, and I couldn't.
Yeah.
The funny thing is like I put my lounge chair in the water, thinking like it was protecting me from the flies. And then when I went inside, TMI, but my whole tush was just covered.
The last day that we were there, that morning, we tried one more time to go down to the beach. The kids couldn't take it. They ran inside. We had gotten like these off sprays that looked specifically named for these flies. Nothing was keeping them away. We sprayed them on the chairs, sprayed them all over ourselves, nothing. And then I got attacked. I guess they're like attracted to black clothing and like shiny things. So I was carrying like a big old like silver hookah, which is silver and shiny, and I'm wearing black. So I got attacked walking to the cabin. I literally fell to the floor. I was crying. I had a full-blown panic attack.
Okay. Is there anything that you would want to ask me that you've never been able to ask me?
Me?
Yeah.
I only get one shot at this. I gotta make it a good question.
One shot.
I don't know. Not really. I feel like you're a very private person.
Am I?
Yeah, I do feel like you're a very private person. So, but I feel like everything that like makes you happy, I feel like I know about. I feel like you're private about things that are, not so happy. And so, but I also know you're private about them for a reason. You just don't like to talk about them. Just kind of like how I am. Like
No,
I just don't want to like
constantly revisit things that upset you. Yeah.
So honestly, yeah, there's nothing really like I'd want to ask you. I think like
I never want to like make my family worry about anything. So like,
no,
I feel like if I can handle it on my own, I do. And if I can't, then it's okay too. And my family, literally, I have my...
What are you gonna say about us?
I'm gonna say how much I adore you guys. That you guys got me through some stuff.
Some stuff.
And I have some friends too that got me through some stuff.
You've got a great support system.
I really honestly have the best support system, and that's when you realize like who's valuable in your life and who's worth the effort and who's not. And so there's people that just kind of want to know about you, and then there's people that truly care. And you can tell the difference, especially when you get to my age. You can just sense it.
Yeah.
Girl, I look crazy right now. I think I'm forgetting that we're filming and that people are going to be seeing me look this crazy. And
no, we're gonna don't worry about it.
It'll look fabulous in the end.
It always comes together.
Yeah, it does.
I feel like my eyebrows are so close together that I look like I have a unibrow. Who's your favorite music artist, like of all time, if you could only pick one?
Drake.
Drake, really?
For sure. Drake. I feel like he's such an entertainer. I connect, and I know like his songs are, I mean, they have substance, but they're all over the place. But you'll always find like a couple lines within a song that just make sense.
I really want to go to a Cardi B concert.
I do too. That sounds like fun.
I love Cardi B. Our lifestyles are nothing alike, but
you gotta respect the fact that she just doesn't care.
Yes.
That's awesome.
She's literally like my spirit animal. I think why I love her so much is because I really, really want to be able to be that like
carefree.
Yeah, and just like so like honest and like upfront and blunt and just like not give a shit.
Yeah.
I love her so much.
Look at the difference a lash makes.
I mean,
look at that.
You can't.
You can't go without the you guys. If you come to me for a makeup appointment and you tell me I don't want any lashes, I'm like, why?
You guys, even if you watch like any makeup artist on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, there's never a transformation bigger than the one from when they go to put on their lashes.
Yep.
Like that transition is just like
it just brings it all together, because these looks are very, very intense. Without the lashes, they just don't look clean. They look so messy. Shit up and then.
Wow, this is such a pretty look to go home and watch football. Football Sunday, yo.
You should go out. But I'm gonna sit home and grade papers and write letters of recommendation.
That's what I'm about to do, you guys. We're getting glam. I'm going home to get on my laptop, finish my emails, watch football. Yeah, we're gonna finish up and then we'll come back so you guys can see everything all finished. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look or looks that we came up with. What do you guys think?
Can I just say, because the camera inverts your face, like.
Yeah, so you guys, most of our viewers probably already know us in person, so you know that we're actually hot.
I don't feel like I look like. I hope I don't look like. Wow.
Anyway.
Okay. But anyway, I like the finished look though.
Yeah, me too. And there are going to be pictures on our Instagram pages. They're going to be linked down below. So make sure you guys check that out and subscribe, hit your post notifications, comment below if you guys want to see us do more videos together, tutorials, Anything you guys want to see, just comment below and let us know. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.